because if you are one of these people that literally hasn't done it for a few years, there is a voluntary late filing in the voluntary of submitting your tax return after missing the deadline. But before the tax authorities start taking proceedings, there are no penalties involved. However, they might charge you 15%. So it's important to note that while you can avoid these penalties, it's very advisable to literally get in there before they get you. And the Spanish deadline in Spain for paying your tax is December the 31st. So like I mentioned, you do get fined a late penalty charge if you do fail to pay on time. So the tax deadline in Spain is the 31st of December, and that is called the Modelo 210. That is your form. Say a good lawyer will be able to do that for you and declare your taxes. For a non-resident, like I mentioned, if you haven't got anything, only your property, you're just going to be paying an admin probably about 140, 100 euros. But then if it gets more complex and you start renting your apartment out or have rentals, of course you declare everything plus the expenses, your earnings. So yeah, taxes is really important. And another thing is so important as well is the healthcare. You're coming to Spain, and you will need healthcare, of course. If you're doing a visa as well, you won't get in unless you've got healthcare. Of course, if you're a retired pensioner, you'll have your S1 form, but if you're not retired, you'll be subjected to getting private healthcare. That is one of the things you do need to get into Spain to start with. But yeah, it's of course healthcare is good because it does cover you, and it'll be with a top hospital as well, so you will get like kind of priority treatment. Even though the Spanish healthcare in Spain is absolutely superb, I can go to the doctor in the morning and book an appointment, and within a few hours I'll be seeing her later on. Scans and that are all done pretty quick, so healthcare is very, very important. But the good thing is you have this private healthcare after the first year, and you are a resident. Of course, if you're employed in Spain, you'll be automatically eligible because you're paying into the system, and you will be covered like for healthcare. So